So in most cases, you want the light fixture in the direct center of the room. You can do this by measuring the width and the length of the room, divide it by 2, and when you mark those areas, it will be the dead center of the room. Here we've done that, and we placed tape in the center. We did locate the stud location. This is an older house with real plaster. We did use a stud sensor to find the ceiling joist. We wanted to be somewhere in between 2 ceiling joists. We drilled through the plaster. This is an older house with real plaster, so it can get quite dusty. Protect your floors and any nearby areas. Here we are using a pencil to mark the size of the electrical box. Here we are lucky to have an attic above to run our wire. If you do not have an above attic, you'll have to use some type of fish tape to push or pull your wire through the ceilings. We used a heavy-duty fan-rated electrical box. You can use a light-duty light box if you're just going to hang a light fixture. However, we wanted to future-proof the house and went with the heavy-duty ceiling fan box.
Okay, attic safety. Okay, I know guys that have put in a foot through the ceiling. Be very careful in attics. Only step where there is solid framing material.
Located our ceiling hole, moved away the insulation, and started to install the light fixture box. This particular heavy-duty box has the mounting bars expanded or contracted to the exact width of your ceiling joist, and then it simply fastens to the wood members. With the mounting bar firmly in place, we attach the electrical box. We just had to do a little bit of fine-tune cutting to make it fit. With the box securely in place, you're ready to run your electrical wire. We do have the strain relief clamp in place. Fish your Romex electrical wire through the box. And then we attached it to the framing. Remember, you are required to have a wire staple or fastener within several inches of the electrical box. In our room, we had an existing light switch. This light switch was going to a wall outlet. We did not want it to go to a wall outlet. We wanted to go to our new light fixture. So we located in the attic directly above the switch, the top wall plate. It is a 2x4 horizontal piece. The top wall plate was located, and we drilled right through the center of that wall. That enables us to lower the wire to the direct area above our switch. The old electrical switch is a metal box that has been there since the 1950s when this house was built.
Switches in the walls. You may find that you don't currently have a switch. You're going to have to install it and pull the wire from the closest outlet. That is usually your best live wire location. In this case, we got lucky. We already had a switch plate going to an outlet, so we simply used that switch. We pulled out the metal electrical box. I thought that was important for me. I really wanted to pull down the wire from the wall and insert a brand new box in that location.
Then we fish the wire through the wall, pull it through the opening, make sure we have enough length. This is our new electrical box. It is called an old work box. That means it has pressure tabs that will lock into the back of the wall. Here we are pre-twisting some of our wires. In a switch, your white neutral wires all get connected together. We are pre-twisting, snipping the ends so they are uniform, and then we place an electrical cap over them. The hots, in this case, we wanted bonded together to go to that existing wall switch so that stays hot and is no longer switchable. And then the remaining black hot wires will be to our new switch. One is the live side, and one will be up to our new light switch. Simply connect the wires and you are good to go. With the new light switch installed, it's time to turn to the light fixture installation. Strip back the correct amount of wire stripping from the Romex and cut it away. You want at least 6 inches extending from the box. Follow the manufacturer instructions on installing your light fixture. Here we lifted the light fixture into position, line it up with the 2 screw holes, and secure everything down. The glass globe will be different for each light fixture. This one simply has a threaded pin on the center to hold the glass globe. Then we turn the power back on, check the operation of the light fixture, attach the glass globe, everything working perfectly. This was a very satisfying project, installing a light fixture in a room that previously had no light fixture with a wall switch. I bet you can do it yourself.